Hi there, this is Veena. Welcome to Patter Cake. Today, let's make sweet black-eyed beans, a traditional but forgotten Goan teatime snack. It's tasty, nutritious and super easy to make. Let me show you how. Here I have 1 cup of chawli or black-eyed beans or peas that I had washed well and then soaked in 3 cups of water overnight. You have to soak these for at least 5 to 6 hours to ensure they are thoroughly soaked. I'll now drain away the water and then add fresh water to the beans. There should be around half an inch of water above the level of the chawli. We'll now cook this in a pressure cooker with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After the cooker comes to full pressure, I'll lower the heat and let the black-eyed beans cook for around 4 to 5 minutes under pressure. Here are the cooked beans. Let's drain away the excess water. In the meanwhile, let's mix 3/4 cup of grated jaggery, use any kind of jaggery, and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut, along with half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Let's mix this well till there are no lumps of jaggery in the chun. Well, chun is the Konkani word for a mix of coconut and jaggery. And since beans are called Chuvoreachem in Konkani, in Goa, this sweet dish is also called Chuvoreachem chun. Okay, now let's gently mix in the cooked chawli. For this recipe, the beans have to be cooked till they are nice and soft. As a special ingredient, you could also mix in around 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts. And in less than 5 minutes of mixing the handful of ingredients, our Goan Sweet black-eyed beans are ready to dig into. I can't wait to taste this traditional dish. Very, very tasty. I remember my mother making this as a tea time treat when I was a kid in school, and I was particularly fond of this dish. Don't be surprised if it becomes your family's favorite snack too. Just remember, this dish is meant to be enjoyed right away, but you could store it in the fridge and finish it within 3 days too. And yes, you could enjoy it hot or cold, your choice. For more quick and tasty recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye for now, and till we meet again, happy cooking!